everyone join me today for doing not really one, but two big events for our learners. So everybody who knows me would actually, anybody who knows me they know that I'm an adult tutor. I'm currently adult tutor for two big schools. Uh, Today we're going to have our oral assessment, and sobrang init. And culminating activity for the other school because we are actually done. And then ito naman for assessment ay para naman sa medyo dulo-dulo lang. Ganun. But the fact is, this is actually so hard. So hard to vlog at the middle of nowhere. At the middle of this sobrang nakakatawang ginagawa ko ngayon. But yeah, the school is just a few minutes walk from our house. It's just that sobrang init. And I've never tried vlogging while walking. I do vlogs before back when it was 2022. Sige tayo dito kasi nakakapagod. Pero hindi ko na-try mag-vlog ng naglalakad. And it was really, really hard. Grabe yung mga gumagawa nito ng mga content creator who does this full time. And also, sisihin ko na rin that I am not very active physically. So, onting kibot lang. Ayun. Pagod ang lola. And time check. It's actually late. It is supposed to start at 1, but I asked my students to start maybe 15 minutes. Hello po! 15 minutes past 1 is, I think there's, no, not I think, but there's actually a conflict on my end. I have the assessment right here. Wait up. I'm almost there. Oh my god. My shoelaces are untied. And, tada, we're here. Oh, wait up. And another walk na naman to because that's the whole school. And this is me. And you know what? This is so tiring. It's hard. Akala ko I'll be productive saying what I want to say. Pero iba pala kapag naglalakad ka. And hopefully you can hear me, guys, because oh. Ha? Doon na. Hindi, ara lang. Init, di kaya. Dahil lugod. Okay. There we go. So hard for me. Actually, secret lang natin to. But I have my payong. And tinatamad lang talaga ako. Wow. Why is my makeup like that? My goodness. Oh! Yay! Pagod, diba? Pagod. And most of the time, my student would come at me saying, "Teacher!" That's my very favorite part of my day. And here you go. Hello? Marami tayo? Sino-sino tayo? Kayo lang? Oh no! Why?
Experiment.
Ilan lang kayo? Oh my gosh. The kids. Hindi nila ako sinipot. Bakit hindi nila ako sinipot? You're supposed to be having your assessment today. Natakot sila sa assessment. Oh, ang init. Electric fan tayo, everyone. Open mo, please, Erica. Wait lang. Tataas lang yung teacher. Okay. There you go. Let's wait for them. Antayin natin sila mga 5 minutes more. May juice ka. Juice? Ay, naku, ang mga bata. Umiiwas talaga sila sa exam. I prepared your exam pa naman today. Bakit po? Saan? Oh, okay. Sige. Last day na pa naman natin bukas. At for sure, kung tatlo lang kayo, hindi muna tayo mag-exam. Kasi hindi yun okay. Explain ko sa inyo ng sabay-sabay. So, let's just put this here. Sana merong ano si teacher. Stapler. Meron lang tayong bala. Wala tayong stapler. Wala pong stapler. Anong gagawin natin? Tatlo. Tayong tatlo lang. I don't have my laptop. Ha? Nako. Oops! Bakit di sila pumasok? Alam mo ba? Joseph? Tumakas sila sa test. Takot sila sa test. Ano na yan? So tiring. Pinaghirapan pa naman ni teacher ang inyong test. Ganito na lang yung gagawin natin. Iisa-isahin na lang ni teacher. Si Erica muna. Si kuya mo may pasok pa sa kabila? Ikaw muna, si Joseph, tas si Lemmy. Okay? Sasagutan nyo tong test ko dito sa tabi ko. Okay? And just like that. Medyo maingay. Apo! 8 daw. Ayun, medyo crowded at magulo na dito sa school kasi nag-start na din ang brigada eskwela nila. Kaya, tapos na ang araw. Tomorrow, definitely, we're going to have the culminating as well. Nakakasad na eh. Kasi, just like that, tapos na. Apa, see you tomorrow. Apa. May dalawa. Feeling ko, absent lang po yung mga yan kasi sabi ko kanong nakaraan na huwag kayong umabsent sa Monday kasi mag-exam tayo. Nag-arabsentan lugod.
Hindi, baka dami dito hapon. Itaw ka na sa certificate.
Sige po.
Hindi naman ikaw mali din hapon.
Kaya nga po. Wala kang contact, ma'am? Yung sa mga section, mga advisor nila dati.
Chat ko na lang na, so aral pa din yun, may conclusion.
Okay. Thank you, teacher. See you tomorrow. Ayun. Tingnan mo, diba? Ilang oras lang. Wait lang. Sige. Ilang oras lang ako doon. Pero tingnan mo itsura natin. Ay. Diyos ko. Anyari sa'yo, girl? Lalabas na tayo. Thank you so much, guys. It's such a, sobrang fun lang na experience. Having to meet students na kailangan din talaga ng more attention to reading, which is a bit challenging. But yeah, let's do it. Let's do it tomorrow. I'll see them tomorrow. Let's do the awarding tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Let's actually... Wait lang po. Okay. Biglang naputol yung vlog ko. Kasi sumakay ako ng easy. Kanina. May sinasabi ako eh. Kaso naputol lang siya. So, hindi natatapos ang akin. So, this is the second part of my day. Not actually second part dahil sobrang daming part actually. And then, tinignan ko yung ibang part ng videos ko. Napansin ko, sobrang kiki ng makeup. Tingnan mo yan, tingnan mo yan. Ano yan? Anong klaseng tao ako? Okay. And we cannot do something about it. And you cannot do something about it either. But, kaya, go now. Let's walk. Walang katapos ang walk. And since mukhang hindi pa naman nagsistart, at medyo nafe-feel kong gutom na ako, at Maria na lang ang meron ako, snack muna tayo. Snack tayo ng favorite kong tusok-tusok. It sucks kasi I know hindi niyo ako naririnig, pero salita pa din ako ng salita. Who knows? Baka pwede pa ma-edit. Wait. See about that? Hindi. This is actually so fun. I'm enjoying it. It's kind of awkward lang to walk with this, but it's fun. And in fact, I really wanted to have like a landscape video, unlike yung mga nauuso ngayon. Because it feels classic and creative. Look at this. I need some booze. I need some spicy thing. Pabili speedballs.
Ilan, ma'am?
Kwek-kwek. Pwede na yan, no, kuya? Sa ganito, isang stick po, tapos isang stick din ng kwek-kwek. Tapos isang stick din ng kikiam. Magkano po? Art niya. Tama na yun. 40 lang. Ay, shucks. Wait lang, kuya. Okay. Okay, the struggle is so fucking real. Imagine. How can you guys do this? How can you guys do this? How can you eat? Oh my god, sobrang usok. So how can you guys eat with this? Ta-da! My favorite. Every time. Comfort food, whatever. I know this is unhealthy and you cannot hear me. So, but who cares? Sige, I'm going to eat. Hindi ko kayang ipagsabay. Ganun talaga kami mga loyal. Sige na, bye-bye! Okay, guys. Uy! I'm back. Hello, guys! And we're back. We're done with the Aral culminating activity where I was able to receive this. Ano pa ba? Wala na. I couldn't take a video because bawal kasi. Maraming bata. And maraming mga taong, makukuha without their consent. So, I just stopped my video. And magantay na lang matapos. It wasn't actually, hindi siya actually yung type ng thing na in-expect ko, honestly. Masaya. It was more of like a very experimental thing. So, ayun. Hindi masyado all in. Ano kaya ang pwede kong mabili? I feel like I have to buy something. Mhm. There is something right here that I've been eyeing actually. This one. This one. I really want this. Pero, parang for somebody like me, hindi ko naman siya magagamit. Kaya, hindi na lang rin ako bibili. Ganun lang. Kung ano yung mga kung ano yung magagamit or gagamitin, yun na lang bibiliin. Wow. Ako ba to? Ako ba to? Ako ba talaga pa? I'm tired. Color blue ako. Ba't ako color blue? Let's see. Here. Make myself believe that slow. I can't wait to go home and edit this one. Kasi if that's the case, this is gonna be my first ever vlog. First ever vlog na hindi naman first ever kong nag-video. Pero parang first ever ko ipopost. Sana naririnig niyo ako, guys. And I am also really that someone na mahilig sa mga off 50% sale. You know what? Last time na may nakuha ko sa ano. Hindi, actually, ang dami kong kwento about it. Parang ang swerte ko lang din. Minsan, unang hawa ko, tapos makikita ko sale sila. Oh my gosh. I would instantly. This is what I don't have. Mga undies. So, let's just check. It says, ano sila, 50%. Tingnan nga ng 50% na yarn. This is good. But it feels a little, I don't know. Parang it's not for me. Ano pa ba? Here. Bakit ako color blue? Wait lang, bakit ganun? Okay, well, I don't know why I turned blue on that shit, but here we go. Ano siya? Naka 50%. Pero, mga ano yung parang lukot-lukot. Yung mga naka-fold. And then maybe something that I wanna buy is nude, like, parang jogging gear. Oh, this is so cool. Like, jogging gear. Jog. Dahil gusto ko mag-jog. Okay. Ayun, I have a lot of clothes. I should not be here. Bored lang ako, guys. Tapos na tayo. Wow, this actually smells so good. Alam niyo, parang kabubukas lang na mall. Ganun siya, guys. There's something wrong. Naging yellow na naman ako. My goodness. I'm going to stop again. Alright, I'll stop and then let's go back. Kasi yellow na ako. Bakit din pong iPhone? There you go. It's back. Parang pangingot lang. And I'm so excited with a new phone dahil kanina nangungulit lang ako. Nakabili ako ng phone sa Lazada. For Papa. That's why. Ano nang gagawin ko? Time check, it's 5:50. Ito na yung mga bored sa life moments. Yesterday, ano ba ginagawa ko kami ng ganitong oras? I'm at home. Nakauwi ko lang ganitong oras. Naririnig mo ba ako? Well, I have to check back. Wait a second. I decided I am just going to go home. Well, it does not feel right. Ah, yeah, the donut. Let's see. Should I try? Hi, it's almost midnight. Midnight. Anong midnight? It's almost night. Wait. Yun. Sana makabili ako ng mic at hindi ko makalimutan mag-order. Kasi, gusto ko na to karirin. My goodness. I just bought what I need to buy. May sale sila ngayon, di ba? Mahilig sa sale. Mga sale addict ako. Ako yung type na madaling mauuto sa mga sale things. This is actually a little bit embarrassing. No, in public. Siguro magkwentuhan tayo kapag nasa private ako, ganyan. But when in public, oh my goodness. I don't know. So embarrassing. Hinitiis ko lang kung may ka-video call because iPhone 17 has a new feature na, diba? Na para ka lang may ka-video call even though yung ano nung video mo, yung quality, or ano ba to? Yung frame, I don't know, sabog na. Yung frame ay nakaganito. Naka-landscape. Yung format, that's it. Something that I'm craving right now, maybe, yung mga shake talaga. There's one thing that I really, really like. Siguro dahil it's more of like a comfort food for me most of the time. Lalo na kapag, alam mo yun, medyo Petsa de Peligro. The Godo one. Oo, yun yung lagi kong binibili. Lagi namin binibili actually. Ayun. So tiring. It's tiring. Actually 6 pa lang. Diba? Pero my goodness, simula naman umaga ang bebe nyo. Sana pwede ako mag-tricycle or what. No, sana. Wait lang. Let's ask. Ay! Aray ko. Ay. Also, oh my gosh. I am locked up. Wait lang. Every fucking time I have a lot of things. Oh my goodness. Ito ang ating ilaw. So let's have ilaw. Ayan. One down. Another one tomorrow in the morning. Na sana mag-vlog ko at hindi ko makalimutan. Yun ang struggle. Minsan nakakalimutan kong i-video yung sarili ko. But, siguro dito ko na lang rin tatapusin. Dito na ako magsasabi ng conclusion. Because diretso na kasi ko sa bahay. And it's gonna be really, it's gonna be a mess in my house. So definitely, that's it.